Our European design team did a great job creating a car that perfectly balances dynamic design with an everyday practicality that is refined just for Europe. The vertical pyramid of the grille flows downward in a tapering gesture. We call it the cascading grille, and it makes the face of Hyundai even more distinct. This new grille is set to become our visual signature, not just for the i30, but also as a hallmark for the entire Hyundai family. I'm proud to introduce to you the new generation Hyundai i30.
The new generation i30 is the new people's car, built for everyone, for singles and families, for the young and for the old. Consequently, it needs more than just one model to be the people's car. We will offer an exciting family of cars. The new i30 democratizes technology, has an appealing design, and is great to drive.
Hyundai N strives to achieve a strong and emotional high-performance car that everybody could enjoy with ease. N Concept RN30 was born as a racing machine, exclusively for racetracks with expertise of Hyundai Motorsport. It truly embodies our vision for Hyundai N.